Hi guys, Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to do a DIY Christmas wreath. And I'm just taking a wreath that I've had for years, this just plain, and I want to add some Christmas items to this so that this isn't so plain looking. So I'm going to be using some Christmas pigs that I purchased last year when they went on clearance after Christmas. So I've already taken the prices off these, so I don't remember how much those were, but they were very cheap because they were on major clearance after Christmas. I think I got them like 75% off or something like that. Now these I got this year at Hobby Lobby, and they were $2.49 and half off of that. So I'll be using some of these Christmas picks in the wreath. And then the other thing I may be adding, this little lantern I got at the Dollar Tree, and I wish I had bought more of these. When I went back they were all gone. You could put this down the middle or on the side here, but that would be super cute. I may use that, or I may just end up putting that on my Christmas tree. I'm not sure yet. I also have this snowflake from Hobby Lobby that I could use in the center here. I'm also going to be adding some of these little clip-on lamb's ear, Christmas lamb's ear. It's got the this frosty, like icicle, snowy look to it. So those will be really pretty, I think, on here as well, to add a little bit of the winter look. And they were $5.99 at Hobby Lobby and half off of that. Another thing you could add is a cute little farmhouse sign or a Christmas sign or whatever you have. Use whatever you have around the house, and then I'll be adding a Christmas bow that I purchased from Kirkland's. It was $6.99, and I've already taken the price off of that because I'm going to be attaching that to the wreath. But I love the burlap and the flannel type black and white check that this bow had to offer. And I'm just going to go ahead and start adding my picks in here. Now, you may have to hot glue them, or they may just stay. So I'm going to test it out and see if I can get away with not hot gluing them, but if they won't stay, I'll just hot glue them in. So, but use whatever you have at home, whatever colors or you go with for Christmas around your house. Use things that will match with your Christmas decor. But this, I hope, will just give you some ideas of what you can do on your own at home. And then these are super easy because they just clip on. So I don't have to worry about those going anywhere. Okay guys, here is the finished wreath, and I think it turned out really nice. I ended up removing the snowflake from the center because the bow really covered it up anyways. You couldn't really see it, so I think we'll just keep it more simple with just the bow. Hi guys, Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I'm going to be doing a Christmas DIY project with you, and it's going to look like this when we're all done. I'm going to show you how I made this one. So let's go ahead and get started. What I am using today to do my project here is this black and white, it's more of an off-white, but it's like a burlappy type fabric ribbon. And I purchased mine from the Joann Fabric store, but you can use whatever you have at home or whatever goes with your Christmas colors. So it could be anything. You just make it your own. And then I'm going to be using some jute twine as well. And then I'm going to be using some of this greenery. And you can use greenery or you can use a Christmas pick, whatever you'd like to use. I'm just using this because I've already had it, and this is from Target Dollar Spot. And so let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm just going to lay my candle down in front of me here and see about how much I need to cut off to wrap around here. I'm going to be putting these in my black, I have two big black lanterns in my bedroom on my dresser, and that's where these are going to go, I'm pretty sure. And I'm probably going to be putting 3 of them in one lantern and 3 of them, 3 little clustered, you know, little candles clustered together in one, and then 3 in the other one. And I've got 3 more of these candles that I'm going to be doing after this. But I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue here, guys, on the corner of each one. And just kind of let that sit and dry for a minute, and then taking my... Okay guys, sorry, my camera stopped recording. I had to go take care of that and fix it. So as I was saying, you just want to put a little glue on the corners. I'm going to attach this next piece onto here. You can put a little bit in the middle if you'd like, but that jute twine will hold it also down when we put that piece around the middle. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is cut your piece of greenery that you want, or if you're using a pick, you may not need to cut anything like I'm doing right now. Cutting one a little bit shorter piece and one a little bit longer, and then I'm just twisting them together. And I'm just going to lay it right on there and cut a piece of this jute twine to tie around the middle here and tie it to keep my greenery on there. So I think this is a really cute, simple DIY project to do for Christmas. And you know what? I think it really gives the Dollar Tree candles a much fancier, you know, more expensive look when you do this to them. It gives it a completely different look, gives it a makeover. And I think it looks great. I'm really happy with it. And I think it's gonna look really pretty in my bedroom for Christmas, in my big lanterns. Okay, I'm just gonna do the next one now. And you could do this with just some burlap ribbon, or, you know, whatever kind of ribbon or fabric that would match your decor. And it's just really quick little project here. It doesn't take long at all, so I didn't cut this one very straight. I'm just going to cut a little more off here to make it a little more even. There. And then again, I'm just putting more hot glue on here. Doesn't take a lot. And then just pull tight. You may want to use something so that the glue doesn't come through and burn your fingers. Okay. Just going to do the same thing again. You could also add some little red berries to this. That would be pretty. Whatever your colors are. You can make it your own and just customize it to your colors. Just gonna get some more of this jute twine. Put it underneath and then pull it up to see about how much you need to tie your bow. So I don't know about you guys, but I've been having these storage issues with my phone recording on here. So that's what was going on earlier when I heard the camera stop and my phone made a noise. So kind of let me know at least so that I didn't go too far without knowing it wasn't recording. But it's been driving me crazy because I've got so many videos I need to do for Christmas and everything. I don't want to be having storage issues on my phone. I'm gonna have to get some of my, I've got too much on there probably right now, so what's going on. I just need to get rid of and delete some things, but I'm really happy with how these turned out. I think it looks great. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this quick little DIY Christmas project, and I think it just looks really pretty, very simple but very pretty at the same time, and gives these Dollar Tree store candles, it just gives them a whole new look and really spiffs them up a little bit. So hope you enjoyed this, guys. Until next time, bye friends.